Dear students, in the last class of geography, you have studied about standard time. Standard time of any country depends on the standard meridian, and I had given the example of Indian standard meridian, that is 82 and a half degree east. And after that, I explained the mathematical calculation of Indian Standard Time, that is 5.5 hours ahead from Greenwich Mean Time GMT. Today we discuss about time zone. You know, there are several countries in the world. Those are very vast in longitudinal extent regarding their areas. I want to give examples of such countries such as China, Russia, Canada, USA, Australia, and etc. These countries, one longitude is not enough to determine the standard time. I want to repeat this. One meridian is not enough to determine the standard time of the country due to its longitudinal vastness. Therefore, few countries in the world have more than one meridians. Those are used as standard meridians. Regarding this, I want to give example of a prime meridian, that is Greenwich Mean Time, passes through London. The longitudinal extension of prime meridian is 7.5 degree western longitude to 7.5 degree eastern longitude, and this whole world is divided into 24 time zones. Meaning is clear. In this whole world there are 24 standard meridians. Those are the multiple of this 7.5. You know, Indian standard meridian is, that we say IST, Indian standard meridian. This is Indian standard time. This depends on Indian standard meridian. That measurement is 82.5 degree east. I told two sentences before it that this whole world is divided into 24 time zones. It means 24 standard meridians are used to determine the time for those particular countries through which those standard meridians pass. For example, here I have shown the longitudinal extension of we are saying the longitudinal difference between these two meridians, that is 15 degree. So the next difference will also be of 15 degree. Next difference of longitude will also be 15 degree. And you can say the measurement of this longitude will be 15 plus 7.5, that is 22.5 degree east. Again, next longitude will be difference at 15 degree. To find the longitude, you will add this 15 degree to the previous one. In this way, that standard meridian of India, that is 82.5 degree east, is also the multiple of 7.5 degree. We can find it. Is it multiple or not? To check that, we write this in the improper fraction. 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5 and 2 8 is 16 by 2, and this 2 will go up and this 15 will come down. Cancelled. 15 11. So if we multiply this 7.5 degree east by 11, we are getting 82.5 degree east. That is the standard meridian of India. So I want to say all the meridians, from there I start. Whole world is divided into 24 time zones. The width of each, the width between two longitude standard meridian is 15 degree. And Indian standard meridian is also the multiple of 7.5 degree. Here mathematically I have represented, if you multiply 7.5 degree by 11, we are getting 82.5. For example, it is written in the book, Europe from Portugal to Poland shares one time zone, although the longitudinal extent is about 30 degree. It has more than one. China extends across 4 15 degree zones, means 4 time zones, but officially the standard meridian is considered as 120 degree east longitude, which is close to BC. Now, 3 features are written about these time zones. Number 1, meridian passing through the center of each time zone has been selected to give the standard time of that time zone. It means there are several, due to vast longitudinal extension, there are several standard meridians, those pass through the country. But which one is passing through the center of that country? That standard meridian, that longitude is considered as the standard meridian of that country. Such as you saw about China, there are 4 time zones, but 120 degree east longitude is considered as the standard meridian for China. Second features of example is, as far as possible, the standard time of each time zone has been chosen to be an exact number of hours ahead or behind the GMT. All this standard time is compared with GMT. If these standard meridians are towards east from GMT or from Greenwich longitude, Greenwich meridian, then time difference will be added to GMT, and if that standard meridian lies in west from GMT, then that time will be subtracted from GMT. that we have seen. In the next class, we will see international dateline.